We did this out and back hike to the Plaetzwiese as a break on our long drive back to Munich from San Vito di Cadore in South Tyrol. This is a relative short hike of approximately 5 kilometers or 3 miles with 500 meters or 1700 feet up and down. There are plenty of parking spots at the trailhead. The trail is easy with good signs and follows a creek in the Knoppenfußtal or Val de Cinoppe. At the end of the valley begins a short, steep climb leading to the Kastlerwiesen and to our final destination, the Plaetzwiese Hütte. We took a little detour to the Stolleralm or Malga Stoller on our way back, but otherwise followed the same trail that we used on our hike in. I really like this hike because of its combination of green meadows, easy access, solitude, at least in the first half of the hike, and amazing views of the Hohe Geisel or Coda Rossa, Dürrenstein, and Cristallo.